Welcome to Rebuilding Paradise: How Locals Are Reviving Post-Disaster Destinations. In this video, we delve into the inspiring stories of communities coming together to rebuild their homes after disaster strikes. From community-led reconstruction efforts to the revival of cultural heritage, we'll explore the innovative ways locals are not only restoring their landscapes but also embracing sustainable practices. Join us as we highlight the resilience and creativity of these communities, showcasing how they harness renewable energy, empower local businesses, and reconnect with nature to transform their futures. 1. Community-led reconstruction. In the aftermath of the 2015 earthquake in Nepal, local communities took the reins of reconstruction. Rather than waiting for outside aid, they utilized sustainable materials and traditional designs to rebuild homes and infrastructures. This approach not only preserved their cultural heritage but also ensured these structures were more resilient against future disasters. By embracing their traditional craftsmanship, the locals forged a path to a safer and more robust community. This effort demonstrated that when communities come together, they can rebuild stronger than before, creating a sense of pride and ownership in their restored surroundings. 2. Promoting sustainable tourism. Indonesia's Lombok, which was severely affected by earthquakes in 2018, has shifted its focus towards ecotourism. By promoting sustainable travel practices, the locals encourage visitors to engage with and support local businesses while protecting the environment. This not only helps in economic revival but also ensures the preservation of the natural beauty that draws tourists to the area. By integrating eco-friendly practices, Lombok has turned its challenges into opportunities, creating a model for other disaster-affected regions to follow. This shift is a testament to the power of sustainable tourism in reviving local economies and preserving cultural and natural heritage. 3. Reviving cultural heritage. In the wake of Hurricane Katrina, New Orleans faced the daunting task of restoring its unique cultural identity. Locals focused on reviving cultural landmarks and traditions, such as the vibrant Mardi Gras festival and the city's rich music scene. This cultural renaissance not only attracted tourists but also helped rebuild the city's spirit and sense of community. By prioritizing their cultural heritage, New Orleans residents showcased their resilience and creativity, turning adversity into an opportunity to celebrate their distinctive identity. This revival serves as a powerful reminder of the role culture plays in healing and rebuilding communities. 4. Rebuilding with climate resilience. Communities in the Philippines, frequently battered by typhoons, are rebuilding with a focus on climate resilience. By constructing homes on elevated platforms or stilts and incorporating disaster-resilient technologies, these communities are better prepared for future storms. Reinforced concrete structures and innovative designs ensure the safety and longevity of these homes, providing a sense of security for residents. This forward-thinking approach highlights the importance of integrating climate resilience into rebuilding efforts, creating communities that are not only restored but also better equipped to face future challenges. 5. Restoring natural defenses. In coastal regions like the Maldives and Fiji, locals are restoring mangroves and coral reefs to serve as natural barriers against tsunamis and rising sea levels. These efforts not only protect the coastline but also support marine biodiversity and boost tourism. The restoration of these natural defenses underscores the interconnectedness of ecosystems and human communities, emphasizing the importance of sustainable environmental practices. By focusing on nature-based solutions, these regions are not only safeguarding their shores but also enhancing their appeal as tourist destinations, drawing visitors who appreciate their commitment to preserving natural beauty. 6. Empowering local businesses. After Hurricane Maria wreaked havoc on Puerto Rico, locals launched initiatives to rebuild restaurants, shops, and farms. By fostering sustainable employment opportunities, they drew visitors back to the island and revitalized the local economy. This empowerment of local businesses created a ripple effect, inspiring other communities to take charge of their own recovery processes. By supporting local entrepreneurs, Puerto Rico demonstrated the power of community-driven economic revival, turning disaster into an opportunity for growth and innovation. This approach highlights the importance of investing in local talent and resources as a means to build resilient and thriving communities. 7. Harnessing renewable energy. In Dominica, after the devastation caused by Hurricane Maria, communities are turning to renewable energy sources like solar and wind power. By building more sustainable and self-sufficient infrastructure, they are reducing their reliance on traditional energy sources and increasing resilience against future disasters. This shift towards renewable energy not only addresses environmental concerns but also provides a reliable power supply for the community. By embracing clean energy solutions, Dominica is setting an example for other disaster-hit areas, demonstrating the potential of renewable energy to transform and strengthen communities in the face of adversity. 8. Reviving agriculture and food systems. In Haiti, locals are focused on restoring farms and introducing drought-resistant crops to ensure food security and rebuild livelihoods. By prioritizing sustainable agricultural practices, they are creating a more resilient food system capable of withstanding future challenges. This revival of agriculture not only provides a steady source of income for farmers but also strengthens the community's overall resilience. By investing in local food systems, Haiti is demonstrating the power of agriculture as a cornerstone for recovery and growth, paving the way for a more secure and prosperous future. 9. Volunteer and grassroots efforts. In Japan, following the 2011 tsunami, local volunteer groups have played a crucial role in the recovery process. By tirelessly clearing debris, rebuilding homes, and restoring schools and community centers, these volunteers have fostered a spirit of solidarity and resilience. Their efforts have not only accelerated the recovery process but also strengthened the bonds within the community. By emphasizing the importance of grassroots involvement, Japan's recovery showcases the power of collective action in overcoming adversity and rebuilding stronger, more connected communities. 10. Leveraging art and storytelling. In Christchurch, New Zealand, art has become a powerful tool for healing and attracting visitors after the 2011 earthquake. Murals, art installations, and community storytelling events have played a vital role in symbolizing resilience and hope. These creative expressions have not only beautified the city but also provided a platform for residents to share their experiences and connect with others. By leveraging art and storytelling, Christchurch has transformed its tragedy into an opportunity for cultural and emotional healing, demonstrating the transformative power of creativity in rebuilding communities.